Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's another not very sunny day out here in California, and I'm here with my friend Nick from Ohio. You people may recognize him from some of my other videos in the past, maybe not a YouTube video, but definitely from the short form stuff. Say hi, Nick.
Hello.
Yeah, we're just going to the Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee, and I got bored, and I wanted to film, so no crazy plan for today, but we're just going to be kind of vlogging and doing all that. 2:30 in the morning, bro. 2:30 in the morning. And bro wakes me up at 6:30 a.m. Come to a Cars and Coffee event that we don't even have cars. Bro, I might be addicted to caffeine. If it's this bad, if I can't even like be normal until I have it, bro, it might be like a wake-up call.
But I'm unhealthy for drinking a Sprite.
Yeah, you are for that. At least I get the sugar-free energy drinks. It's not like rotting me from the inside. It just makes me a little sleepy in the morning until I get it.
Gotta be a gas station here, bro. We have gone the whole morning without seeing a single gas station.
How much gas you got?
I got plenty of gas. I'm just, the body needs fuel.
Oh, for a Red Bull? Unreal, bro.
That's all this has been about. Let me find a place of refuge right quick.
Play my favorite reference ever.
Brother, I gotta get caffeine. I'm gonna start losing my mind over
30
here.
seconds.
Bro, I am actively depressed. I want to fix this, please. Please, bro, I want to fix this. Please, can we just go get a Red Bull?
Least caffeine addicted content junkie.
Quit making fun of it, bro. We're stuck with the reality of what the situation is. Making fun of it won't solve it. Bro, I feel so garbage right now. I just want caffeine. Like, that's all I want. I don't care about anything else right now. I just want a little bit of caffeine. That's it. Excuse me? I gotta get you addicted to something, bro. You can't just wallow through life with nothing in your life. You gotta have some level of, like, something that gets you out of bed in the morning.
Snapchat quick ad.
Oh, 7-Eleven. That's it. Oh, here we go. Money bags, baby.
Out of everything bro can be hyped over, it's 7-Eleven.
Bro, it is like damn near almost noon, bro. I have not had caffeine. Oh, what should we get? What am I looking at? You want anything like caffeine, maybe? Ooh.
You got any Snapchat quick ads? Snapchat quick ad, bro, can lure me out the house with that.
Once you turn 21, I'm pushing alcohol onto you. Making sure this always turns out to be a loser.
Bro, spiking my smart water with vodka. Bro, can you take a sip of your caffeine already? I'm sick of dealing with pre-caffeine Jake right now.
I will in a second once we're inside the Chipotle.
Bro's anger from inside out right now, or fucking whatever that dude's name is. Bro's rage from inside out.
Get lightheaded, bro. It's like, it's bad, bro. I'll fix it one day.
Bro is not fixing it.
Oh my god, bro, I feel so much better.
Oh no. Oh god.
Imagine.
I don't think there's much to imagine.
Bro, why do you always park like directly behind me and there's nothing I can do until you move your motorcycle? My motorcycle, I'm sorry. This is terrifying. It's like you're genuinely, this is like Tennessee. It's like you make one wrong move. At least there's like a guardrail there where I can break my femur on. But like in Tennessee, it's just like you make one wrong move, you're going off the side of a mountain. I gotta start this clip off right. Fastly. Woo! Gotta start this clip off right. We're up in the mountains right now. Super hyped, super excited, so happy, bro.
Hell yeah.
Bro, this is such a sick... Dude, can you look excited like you're happy to be here? If I got 2 seconds, look happy.
Bro, look at that. It goes over.
It's a mountain, bro. Yeah, bro's acting like he didn't grow up here.
Alright, bro, I'm trying to be happy and shit.
Nope. I hope you're miserable, bro. I hope you hate everything about your existence.
Getting there slowly. I literally just transcend down to your level.
Alright, let's go before more cars come. Bro, hurry the fuck up, please.
Motherfucker, you just stood off your bike, faked being enthusiastic for your YouTube.
This twisty road is making me so excited.
This is so fire. Don't look scared. I don't know how many rocks are gonna be on this shit.
I'm just full sending it, whatever. If I wreck, it's content.
We gotta be getting close, bro. There's no way it like goes.
No, it's not really going up anymore.
We're gonna see like an airplane go by.
Bro, look at how high we are, bro. Look off the hill.
I don't want
We're pretty
to.
high.
That's gonna give me like a holy bro.
Oh my god. This is so high up. So we need to find a way to put a bus station up here. Some sort of superstore up here.
Can you imagine, like, going camping with your girlfriend?
Imagine cracking a dude on the side of it.
Alright. Bro's going a different direction with it.
Up there, bro. Dude, imagine
up.
cracking a fatty in your mansion on the top of this hill, and you're just blowing her back out to this view, but then she turns around and it's a dude.
What about just, like, living happily? I don't know. What do you think that would make you happy? Is like finally having a baddie in a mansion on the side of the hill, a mountain like this, like a view like that, waking up, she's like butt naked in your bed.
Yeah, bro.
And then it's a dude.
Back to the bed. Now you're talking.
Lost you for a little bit there. Bro, my head is starting to hurt. I don't know if it's the elevation or what. Maybe this is the 400 milligrams of caffeine I consumed for 4th of July. Possibly could be correlated. Not a single drop of water, by the way. Stuffed my face of Chipotle, had 2 monsters, and is raw dogging a ride up 8,000 feet of elevation, bro.
I don't even think there's a word for messing that up besides you're just deceased. Like, it's just over.
They're not recovering your body.
Bro, the bikes shouldn't get bad if we just roll them off this chill. Bro, how did we just miss just like 2 monster groups of bikes like Loki flying down there? Do you think it's good?
We turn around to like look at our phones, and then we look back, and the V4 is just sliding off the mountain. You just barely see the swing arm and the tire go like sliding through the bush.
Dude, this trip is so sick.
This trip is awesome.
This trip is epic.
All right, take a picture of me.
Jerk off to these photos.
Take a picture of me.
All right, I am, you f***ing...
Should I make it look like I'm like
I want to stand to the left a little bit so I can get the view. Turn around.
Do I look tough?
You look horrible. Turn around. I want to see your face.
I feel stupid.
Because you are.
I feel stupid, bro. Like, can you tell me how to like stand or something? Like this
bro,
is
just
ridiculous.
do what you're doing.
You just, bro, I look exhausted in this photo, bro. 4 hours of sleep, you messed my entire day
gosh,
up,
bro.
Go stand next to your bike. It's Aura.
But bro, I gotta get my helmet on, bro.
No, I want to see the.
Can we not like zoom in on my fucking on my face, dude? My face looks like I got shot with a fucking bird pellet shotgun.
Get this clip of this dude blowing past us. First of all, ADV bike. These dudes are low-key moving, bro. All the BMW guys, bro. That's how I'm trying to be. I'm trying to be loaded up like that for these trips. Low-key. Look at that. I told you, bro. That's actually not a V-twin. That's a 660. Should have known that. It's a 390. That is a 390. That's sick, bro. It's like motorcycle spotting.
You know how sick it would be if we could get this, but if it didn't come to a stop and I just blow past, you're like, whoa, ball, like come and like hit a corner.
And I just watch you blind corner you go around. All right.
Call something.
Yeah, I see that. Oh my god, that bump, bro. Holy god. I just keep slamming on these brakes. That is not good. I just gotta trust the bike. This is my bike too. You think I'd be more comfortable on it, but... Woo! This is how you wake me up, bro. I got some adrenaline flowing now. Yeah, it keeps going. We were going on like that was the smoother part, just a little bit more gnarly. I'm glad you like it. I'm like fighting for my life back here, bro. I was just having a great time. Woo! V4 is a monster, bro. I love this. This thing's awesome. Dude, I'm like shaking from that. The V4 is so wild.
Well, bike died. I was a little bit worried about that. Welcome back to the vlog, guys.
Has that happened to it before?
Nope. I think the battery just
lithium
died.
battery that you were bragging about.
I think the battery just died, that's all.
Yeah, but sometimes that can be an issue past bump starting because sometimes it doesn't like to run if it has a fried battery.
I think we got a hill right here, so this might be perfect.
Hold on, wait. I can push you too, which is like pretty.
This is not good, bro.
This is insane. This is actually insane.
This is really bad.
Bro, this is really bad because usually when you have to bump start a bike, it's because the starter's like, here, hold on, I'm gonna push you with it. This is actually bad. I don't think you realize like how bad. Let me like.
Alright, let's just go to the top of the hill.
This is really bad because your electronics don't even turn on, Jacob.
I know, it's bad. The bike died. We're gonna try to bump start at the top of the hill. She like died. It like won't turn on. So we're just gonna go up to the top of there, get some speed, dump the clutch, and hopefully she starts so we can get out of here. Is that cool? Thank you. California adventures, right? Let me breathe.
Put it in first, and then right when you drop the clutch, sit on your seat hella hard, okay?
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Oh, we're fucked. Oh, we're so fucked.
No, we can get this.
It's over.
We can get it,
Dude, yeah,
Bro,
it just started it's because the battery is dead. It's not gonna run.
We can get it, bro.
Bro, there's actually no way this is real. You had to have rigged this up, bro.
No.
You actually had to have rigged this up, bro, because this is not real. If this is real, no, because you had to have done this, bro.
Worst case scenario, you just get CJ to pick up the ramps in the truck. Come meet us here. We just chill here for a couple hours.
This is actually...
Or he can bring us a charger. This will work.
Turn the key on.
I will.
I'll push you longer. But this can't be real. This can't be real, Jake.
Well, keep trying. I mean, what option we got?
Open the seat.
I don't have the tools for it.
Battery.
I don't have the tools.
Are you like that serious? You didn't rig this up?
I promise, bro. One of them might. Let's try.
Wait a second, because this is not going to work. That's not how this works. This is not just going to start if there's no electronics on.
What's your plan then?
Wait a second, because there's nothing we can do to get this thing to start.
Yeah, there is. We can get it. I hear it turn over.
Well, yeah, it's going to turn over, but if there's no electronics, it's not going to run.
All it needs is spark.
This can't be real. You have to make this up. If this is real, I'm genuinely dumbfounded. I'm not going to lie. Do it now. It's not going to run, Jake. It's not going to. There's nothing we can do. We need a jump box.
Alright, I'll make some calls.
Didn't start when you guys push it over there?
It was, you could hear it.
Power.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, the motor, there's nothing wrong with the motor. It needs power, though. Like, it needs ignition. It's not going to get ignition without the battery.
If we had like a fat hill, like that was a pretty fat hill, but I could tell like...
It won't work because it doesn't get ignition. If the battery's completely dead...
It was getting ignition, bro. You can hear it.
No,
the electronics were
it'll
sparking
literally
on.
never start without this.
This guy's
It'll
an
never
idiot.
start.
This guy's an idiot.
Says the dude who left his bike on for an hour for it to die while he was sitting at a gas pump trying to fucking content farm. But I'm the idiot. Hold on, wait. Huge. Leave it on for a second.
Vlog is saved, dude. That dude came in close. I was looking through my wallet trying to give him something, but I had nothing. My God, vlog is saved. I am turning left. I refuse to not turn left. Solid. Good job.
I don't know. You want to just go back to the house for a little bit?
Yeah, that's chill.
I did have that battery out in like some -8-degree temperatures out in Iowa. So the battery might have been a little bit, I don't know if the battery is made to handle that type of temperature.
Oh, yeah.
Not even a problem. All right. Well, I think I'm gonna end the YouTube video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm probably gonna go home for a couple of days in the next coming. Oh, I know for a fact I'm going home in a couple of days here, so I'll probably edit this at home. Gonna see my girlfriend for a couple of days. I'm coming right back out to Cali, so hopefully you guys are all like getting close and comfortable and cuddled up. Maybe you're listening to this before you go to sleep at night, and it's all.
I definitely will be cuddled up.
All right. Well, I will. Maybe you're cuddled up with your significant other. Maybe a bottle of lube. We're not here to judge. Love every single one of you, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Maybe we'll talk about something a little bit more deep next time instead of just riding with this guy who can't ride to save his life. He just is a little dangerous little guy. All right. Well, I love you guys. See you in the next one. Maybe I'll be back home. We can do a little home vlog or something, and maybe we can just continue another video out here when I come back, and I'll think of something. Usually I can ride to a place that's a little bit better than this and a little bit more deep of a talk and not doing this like weird stuff. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one sometime soon in the near future. Not exactly sure when it's going to be, but...
Are you like really oh my gosh, bro, what the fuck? I'm like waving goodbye. I don't know where he's going. Still, I'm like, what the fuck is this dude doing, bro?
All right, let's go. All right, I love you guys. See ya.